Alright, y'all, I'm playing this game again. Let's go, bruh. Okay, so we got someone, okay. Just went back in, okay. Wow, he's following. He's definitely following. I should like go like, yo, bro, come here, bro. Over here. You know what? I'll just leave him or something. Wait, where is he though? There he is. I'm gonna follow him. Actually, I'm gonna follow. No, this is back in. No, I'm actually trying to find the next bots or something like that. This is where I like got chased. This looks familiar. Like from the part 1. Hold up. Oh, dead end. Okay. I can't hear them very well because of my volume. Because like if it's full volume, y'all cannot hear my voice. Oh no, okay. I hear them. I hear them. Oh! Oh my gosh, it's right there! Oh my god! Ah! Ah! He just jumped into my face! He just jumped into my face! No! I repeat, no! Please! Please don't hurt me! This was a bad decision! This was a bad decision! Yo, 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 yo! Someone, though, I just saw someone pass by. No! No! Why me? Why me? Why me? Why me? No! I just got molested! Oh my gosh, I'm being tossed! I'm being tossed! No! Oh my gosh, someone's hacking. Just kidding, it's a lag. That's just lag. Yo, can I actually climb this? Oh my gosh, I pressed the wrong one. Dang it. I fucked up. I fucked up. No, this is the entrance. Or the exit, you know. Hold up, bro. Hold up. I'm gonna go first person mode. This is gonna be like so scary on first person. Like, bro. Okay, I don't wanna go first person, dude. I can't. I just can't. Y'all know I'm trying to force myself to do it. Oh, okay, okay. I'm getting. Yo, I think the next boss. I not the spot where I die. No, please, please, please don't. No, 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 no. I just got no left. No way. Yo, my camera lagged. Oh, someone just jumped. Pori. Oh, no, no, bro. Just died instantly. What was that? Bro! No, I just got, oh my gosh. Oh, we got the flashlight, y'all. Good flashlight. I'm gonna go first person mode. Go, 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 go. First person. Yo, it's so hard to control this on like first person. Like, I don't even know how to control this with first person. Okay, okay. They might be right behind me. Are they? Are they? I don't know. I don't think so. But I can hear them. I swear. Oh, dead end. Dead end. Ah! 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 Let me out! Let me out! Please! Please! Ah! Ah! Oh! He just jumped into my face! He just jumped into my face! Please! I repeat! Please! I repeat! I don't wanna die! Please! Please! Let me alone! Leave me alone! Oh my gosh, there he is, bro. Oh no, he's... Oh my... No! It's the noob! No, I'm getting. Oh no, I'm gonna get molested. I'm gonna get molested. No! Wait, he's looking at me. Yo, he got so interested, bro. The way he looked at me, bro, for a split second, like, bruh. Yo, my heart racing, bro. Okay, I'm gonna jump again. Actually, no. I'm gonna go to the entrance. Actually, no. I want to jump. Like, literally, just jump out. It's the entrance. I just jumped out the entrance or the exit. Nope, dead end. Okay. That's a breeze. Don't even, bro. They don't have a run animation. Ay! No way, bro. Y'all, I'ma go first person mode once again. Bro, there's so many people that don't wanna go down. Like, bro. Like, you know what? 3, 2, 1, go! Yo, wait, what? Bro, Obama did not see me, bro. Bruh. What? First person. Like, bro, this is actually scary. Just turn up the volume a bit, you know, just like so that I can hear a bit. Just like 10% only, bro. Oh my gosh! He's right there! Was that the noob? That's the noob! It's the noob! Please! I don't wanna die! Bro. I'm running. I'm absolutely just running, bro. If they pop up on that corner, I'm gonna run for my life. Yo, I hear them. Oh my gosh! Yo, they being through that corner, bro! Hell nah, bro! Oh my gosh, oh no, I went the wrong way, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm so cooked. Yo, I am cooked. You know what? I'll risk my life. I'll sneak. He's right there! Oh my gosh! Run! No! Yo, I am so cooked. I'm so cooked. Oh my gosh, no, please! Wrong way. That might be dead end. Yes. Go back to the tower. I repeat, go back to the tower. Go back! Run! The tower! Where's the tower? Tower, please! Oh my gosh, yo. No! My gosh, yo, I'm far away from them now. If I hear them once again, that's just game over, bro. Well, there's a chance I might survive by running! No! No, I'm getting caught! No, bro! I got kicked now, bro. He's saying I'm a dumbass. I got kicked now. Oh, he just jumped. Okay. Without hesitation, bro jumped. Like, literally without hesitation, bro jumped. Yo, we got someone, y'all. Let's go. Yo. Yo, bro, wait for me, bro. This is Barack Obama, and I tell you, I wanna beat Barack. Yo, I swear, if this guy goes to the spot where I died, we both might be cooked. Because, like, bro, some next bots are literally, like, close to the spot where I died. Like, bro, I've died a couple times now, dude. He got a flashlight. I see that in his hand. Yo, you're holding it the wrong way. Yo, that's the wrong way, bro. Dead end. Yep, go that way. It's even a dead end. Oh no, he's leaving me, bro. Oh my gosh! No! We just ran into the next bot, bro. We ran in. Bruh. Oh, he's jumping again. Oh, he got no, my... Run, run, run for my life, run for my life. Daddy, Daddy, running for my life. Daddy, running. Ah, 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 ah. No way. Yo, he made me do the split, dude. Perry. No! Perry, no! No, Perry! He's not the next one, so he died! He got a heart attack! I don't like that! No! Oh my gosh, I just instantly got killed again, bro. Oh my gosh. What the heck? What the heck? Obama, please! Please, Obama, we can talk about this! We can talk about this! We can talk about this! There's someone, though. Obama, please, we can talk about this, bro. We can talk about this. Like, seriously, bro. We can talk about this. Please, Obama. Obama, please. Please don't molest me. Obama. Obama, please, no. Please, please, Obama. Please, please, Obama. Please. Please, 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 Obama, we can talk about this. Please, please, we can talk about this. No. Yo, I'm scared. I'm very scared. I'm very scared. Yo, I just hear Obama again, dude. Like, bro, I'm a bit close to the spot where I died once again. I was like, oh my gosh, no, Obama's coming for me again, bro. Why me, bro? Bro, he's literally targeting me, bro. Targeter, bro. Oh my gosh. Yeah, if they're chasing me, I'll try going back to the tower. Like, bro, that's literally what I'm trying to do. If I'm getting chased by a next bot, like, bro, I'm just trying to go back to the tower, and I can't. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, there's a ton of people, bro. Let's go. Mizan, you go first. Yo, he walking slow, bro. Yo, they're the same. Yo, they're the same. They're the same character, dude. I mean, avatar. Okay. Oh my. Mizan. Mizan. No! No! Guys, run! Guys, no! Run! No! No! They probably both died! They probably both died! They probably both died! They probably both died! No! Mizan, no! No! No, the twins died, bro! How could you do this? You're a monster, next bot. Oh my gosh, they're coming for me now, dude. I know they even saw me, dude. Oh my gosh, yo, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. There's no chance of survival. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I am cooked. I am cooked. Wait, there's a chance of survival. There's chance! There's a chance! Let's go! Mizan, yo. Oh my gosh, yo, don't go out. Don't go out. No! No! What did you do? Bro, what the hell, bro? Right, alright, y'all. We can go out now. We can go out. Okay, no. We can't. Like, bro, I literally hear them. Like, oh my gosh, yo, what the hell? Bro, get out, bro. We're trying to go out. You know what? I'll just jump. Oh, okay. He's gone. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Bro, at least for this bacon right here. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Wow, okay, anyways. Yo, there's no next bots down there, bro. Bro, where's your friend, dude? Where's your twin? Bro, don't act stupid, please, bro. Bro. You know what? You know what? Really just... Oh, I'm gonna! my gosh, yo, I almost ran into him. That's crazy. That's I just saw that. I just saw two in the same time. I just saw two in the same time. No. Chill, chill. Guys, we can talk about this. We can talk about this. Yo, there's no chance of survival. I can't go back. I'm lagging, dude. I'm lagging. No! No, he got me, bro. Oh my gosh, he broke my bones, dude. Oh yes, we got the flashlight now. Oh yes, this is good. Oh, okay. Anyways, I'll jump right here. Right there I go. You'll go to the guy I just saw. Did he die? Oh, he definitely died. No, why? What? What? I did not do that. I did not do that. Bro, why did I even go so close to him, dude? Am I so stupid? And like, bro, my freaking tablet made me do that, dude. I didn't bro, my tablet made me do that, dude. I ain't joking around, dude. And there's chance of survival. I just went back into the building. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Oh, right. Yo, we got a bacon outside. Let's go, bro. Oh, nigga, here inside. Okay. Okay, I guess I'm gonna jump on the tower. Yeah, I'm gonna jump so that they don't see me or something like that. Go. And then jump just instantly without no hesitation. Stop. Oh my gosh, I'm getting throat issues, bro. What the freak? Oh my gosh, bruh. Yo, bro, where's the next boss, bro? I wanna get chased. I'm not gonna lie. You know what? I'll go on like this. Like, what's this called? Third person or something like that? I don't know. Should we go over here? Nope. That's just a abomination of literally just dead ends. So if you get chased, you will die. Like, bro, 3 dead ends in a row. Oh my gosh. Yep, let's go here. Yep. Yeah, left or right? Oh wait, okay. Absolutely just left, I guess. What, bro? 2 dead ends? Ain't no way. How am I supposed to survive this, bro? There's nearly 2 dead ends, like, bro. It's been minutes, dude. What the heck? It's been like seconds. Oh, okay. That's the freaking way. You know what? I'll go this way. Yeah, this is definitely the way. Do you know the way? Yo, bro, it's been minutes, dude, and there's still like no next bots. I might be actually far away from them. Like, I might be. Yo, what? Hold up, let me reset, dude. There's absolutely no next bots, dude. It's just a maze now. And my flashlight gone. Okay. Bro, what happened to my camera again, dude? I have to reset. Lowercase that message, ha! There we go, okay. Jump, Gojo. Jump, Gojo. Satoru, Gojo, jump. You have infinity. Oh my gosh, okay. Fine. What the freak? Go. Gojo? Gojo! It's not safe! Gojo! Oh my gosh. You're a stupid noob. They were walking, bro. Oh my gosh. No, don't go out, bro. Don't go out. I'll go out. Psych! Eh! Bro, go away. Bro, go away. Obama, bro. You know what? I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump on the top of the tower. Oh, Gojo fell. Yep, okay, you go there. You know what? I'll make a run for it. I'll make a run for it, y'all. So I will jump and I will land right next to them. And I will like make a run for it, dude. Like, bro, this is gonna be so scary, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So where are they? Are they right here? What? Oh my gosh, I have to find them. Yo, I'm gonna make a run for it. I don't know what happened to my camera, dude. Why is this like that? Just like that. Oh no. Actually, yeah. Trustworthy path. Okay, never mind. Not trustworthy. I thought that was a dead end. You're not gonna lie. Next bots. They're not here. Yo, 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 yo. They look like teamers. Hey, yo. Please don't steal my bone. Right. Bro, what is it? Bro, what is she looking at me, bro? What is bro looking at me for? Bro, you look Narada and Gojo, bro. Yo, Gojo's supposed to have white hair. What the heck? Run, Gojo, run. Bro, they just... Oh, my... You know what? I'll walk with them. Yo, bro, chill. Yo, bro, I hear a next bot, bro, chill. Yo, I swear, if they're right behind us and I didn't even know, and it's just right behind us, I don't know. Ah! He's definitely right behind you! No! Bacon! No! Bacon! No! No! Bacon! No, oh no, I'm dead. No, please, we can talk about this! Please! No! I don't know what happened. I do not know what happened. Bro, he died, bro. Y'all don't know how to run, bro. Bro didn't know how to run. Bro was born to walk, not run. Oh my gosh. And we just go out. Look at me, bro. Oh my gosh, what the heck? I can't do this by myself, bro. I'm gonna die again. You know what? I'ma make a run for it if I see them. Okay, okay, run! 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 Dead end, dead end, dead end, dead end, dead end! Ah! Go. Right now! I just smashed him! I just smashed him! That's crazy! Oh, yo, that is absolute scary, bro! Oh my gosh! Run, run right now, run, just run! I swear, if I run into Obama now, I am absolutely cooked. I'm cooked, I'm cooked, I am cooked, I am cooked, I am cooked. Oh my gosh, now I hear Obama, bro. Oh my gosh. No, bro. Chill! Chill! Yo! Oh my gosh, you're getting cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I went back to the tower and now I'm cooked. Okay, I accept my fate. I accept my fate. Yup, I just got cooked. I just got cooked. So this is gonna be the last round, okay? Wait, I'm gonna jump off. 3, 2, 1, go. Not again, bro! Bro, now I'm close to them, dude. I literally hear the noob. The ooh, ooh, oh my, like, bro. Oh, there's a chance of survival. There's a chance of survival. What the hell? Oh my god, bro. Go, go, run, run, run! No, I tried going. Yup, he just molested me. He just molested me, bro. Duke song, what the hell, bro? Davey. Oh no. What? What, bro? Yo, ain't no way. Okay, he'll make a run for it. He'll find the noob and he'll make a run for it. Bro, ain't no way. I just ran into 2 dead ends. Find the noob and if you see him, run away for your life. That's literally like the quest or objective. Yeah, the objective. What? Bro, you just pushed me and now I'm dead. Delta 2022 Alpha 2024, bro. Ain't no way. Okay. Yo, y'all go out, please, bro. Oh yes. Sprung. What? Yo, I just saw someone. Okay, nope. I don't know where you went. Oh, there you are. Oh. What's up? Nothing. I know we both died, but yeah. Is he lagging? Oh my gosh. No!